Hey folks, this is the first video of Node.js lectures and Node.js series. So we are going to start Node.js series from this video, and this is the introduction to Node.js. So without further wasting any time, let's start. So let's first discuss what is Node.js. So Node.js is an open source cross-platform running environment that allow developers to build server-side applications using JavaScript. So basically, Node.js is used for backend services or making backend with the use of JavaScript. Till now, we all are using JavaScript as a front-end service, but now with the use of Node.js, we are going to use it as a backend services. So basically, it's enable developers to write backend code using the same language they use for front-end development and making the entire process more streamlined and efficient. Uh, let's discuss this. Node.js is built on top of Google's V8 JavaScript engine. So Chrome has a V8 engine, and Node.js is built on top of the Google's V8 JavaScript engine, which compiles the JavaScript code into machine code and making it incredibly fast and efficient. It also uses event-driven non-blocking I/O model. So event-driven non-blocking I/O model is which means it can handle a large number of requests simultaneously without getting bogged down or slowing down the application. So it can handle multiple requests at the same time. So let's look at history of Node.js. So Node.js was created in 2009 by Randall, and a software engineer who wanted to build scalable network application. He was inspired by Google's V8 JavaScript engine and decided to use it as a foundation for his new project. Dell released the first version of Node.js in 2009, and it quickly gained the popularity among developers for the speed and efficiency. Let's keep this topic. Okay, how Node.js work? Node.js is built on top of Google's V8 JavaScript engine, which compiles JavaScript code into machine code, faster execution as we discussed in the last slide. It uses an event-driven non-blocking I/O model. It allows to handle multiple large number of requests simultaneously collection without blocking the execution of other code. And this makes Node.js particularly well suited for building real-time applications that require high scalability of performance. What is the benefit of using Node.js? So Node.js is known for lightning fast processing speed. It is very fast, making it ideal choice for real-time applications such as chatbots, gaming, streaming services. We can build anything with the use of Node.js. So it is asynchronous architecture that allow multiple requests to be processed simultaneously and resulting in faster response time and smoother user experience. So basically, Node.js is very flexible. Node.js is also offering developers to high degree of flexibility, allowing them to easily switch between front-end and back-end development. This makes it easier to build full stack application and reduce the need for specialized knowledge in different programming language. So till now we are using JavaScript as a front-end services, but now we are going to use Node.js as a back-end service, and we will discuss this all the topics in practical sessions. So if you're not able to understanding what is this right now, so don't worry about it. We are going to see in another lectures, so don't worry about it. What is the real world examples of Node.js? So LinkedIn is the very first example of Node.js. So the platform uses Node.js to handle its real-time messaging feature. LinkedIn has a messaging feature which using Node.js and enabling user to communicate with each other instantly and seamlessly. This has helped LinkedIn to become one of the most widely used professional networking sites in the world. You can see what is the power of Node.js. And also another example is Netflix, which we are using we are all using not Netflix, so which uses Node.js to power its user interface on multiple devices. So with the use of Node.js, we can access Netflix on multiple devices. With the Node.js, Netflix is able to deliver fast and responsive streaming experience to millions of users around the globe. So this is the power of Node.js. So making it one of the most popular streaming services available today. So let's getting started with Node.js. So it's important. So prerequisite for Node.js is you have to know basics of understanding of JavaScript, also server-side programming. And one of the helpful resource for learning Node.js is my tutorial and also the official documentation of the Node.js, which is given in the description link. So yes, and you can also find numerous online communities and forums where you can ask questions and share the ideas with other developers. Additionally, there are more libraries and frameworks available for Node.js. that can help streamline your development process and make it easier to build high quality web application. So this is the first lecture of Node.js, introduction of Node.js. So this basics, and don't worry about if you are not able to understand this, because we are going to cover all this topic as in the practical sessions. Also we are going to discuss what is npm, node modules, and everything, every single topic in further videos. So don't worry about it, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.